Hello, I'm Sue Evans, Chief Executive of Social Care Wales. We regulate and support the early years childcare and social care sectors in Wales. And today I want to talk to you about our wellbeing framework and thinking about the workforce in Wales and how important wellbeing is to us all. So it's incredibly important, and the evidence tells us that a valued, well, and a happy workforce is more likely to deliver high quality care. So those people who rely on good care and support will be better served if we support the workforce well too, and this is well documented in the evidence. Also, aligned with that is enabling and supporting compassionate leadership and creating positive cultures are drivers to enhance well-being in the workplace. So providing those positive environments for our workforce means that care can be provided positively and compassionately. And valuing the workforce, including supporting their health and well-being, it is vital if we are serious about creating a sustainable workforce to meet current and future needs in Wales. And this is one of the fundamental principles of the Joint Health and Social Care Workforce Strategy that we launched a few years ago now with Health Education and Improvement Wales. So that underpins that strategy. And now is an important time, if ever there was one, to pay attention to workforce well-being as the sector recovers from the pandemic and the demands on themselves. Over the last few years, a lot of trauma challenges we faced. There will be new challenges, including the current cost of living crisis and the impact that is having. So it's very important that we take good care of ourselves and support each other. And what do we mean by workforce well-being? So we know that being part of this workforce is both rewarding and demanding. So it's so important that organisations support the physical, the mental and the financial well-being of its workforce. And we know that people may experience problems at home or in work that will impact on their well-being. So it is important that the right advice and support is available and organisations understand how to access that support as early as possible, and that will help us all achieve a healthy work-life balance and deliver great care and support. So well-being is more than the physical, mental and financial well-being of an individual. Other factors play their part. Relationships, management styles, leadership skills, as well as the culture and the environment that we are working in. And if all of those elements are considered, we are more likely to improve the well-being of individuals, of teams and of organisations. And this is recognised and addressed in the new wellbeing resource. And there are 4 commitments in the framework: creating a safe working environment, continuously improving. The second one is about fair treatment, dignity and respect for all. Then the third one is about establishing workforce cultures where everyone is involved and feels informed. And then finally, commitment 4 is about prioritising a culture of continuous learning and development. And what are we asking you to do? So we recognise that many of you will already be taking positive action to improve the well-being of your workforce. So please share your work with others so that we can spread good practice and celebrate that good practice across the whole of Wales. And the framework is there to support you as individuals, as managers and as organisations to make those changes and continuously improve. So we hope the framework will be a really useful tool to help you on your journey, and we are there to support you along the way, alongside other support that you will hear about today. So we're working towards establishing a wellbeing network, so a movement driven by anyone interested in the workforce wellbeing agenda in the social care, early years and childcare arenas. So please let us know if you would like to join us and work with us, and we're really keen to get as many people as possible into that network. So know that you are important and take time to care for yourselves too. Finally, a personal thank you from me for the invaluable work you do every day, caring for and supporting others. It really is very appreciated. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you very much.